Ever wonder how top students stay ahead? The secret's out. AI tools can help, but it's important to know how to use it without plagiarize other people's work. Here's how you can use them too. Step 1. Define your research scope. Use AI to brainstorm and find trends. For instance, if your topic is around marketing and sustainability, you could ask, what are current trends in sustainability marketing? Step 2. Explore literature with AI. Get summaries on key theories like the AIDA model. For example, in relation to a prominent theory you want to apply, just ask AI, how is the AIDA model applied in digital marketing? Can you give me some practical examples? Step 3. Generate research questions. Use AI to frame questions like, what can I explore about consumer behavior towards sustainable products? Step 4. Outline your structure. For instance, you could ask AI, help me outline a dissertation on eco-friendly packaging. Step 5. Get writing support. AI can draft content and refine your language. Try asking, summarize the pros and cons of digital marketing for sustainability. Step 6. Analyze data with AI tools. Use platforms like SPSS for data analysis. Let AI explain statistical terms and tests. Step 7. Ensure ethical use. Rewrite AI-generated ideas in your own words and cite sources only after double-checking each citation to make sure it is accurate. Step 8. Proofread and edit. AI tools like Grammarly can catch errors and suggest improvements. Conclusion. By following these steps, you'll harness AI to supercharge your academic work. Use it wisely and watch your assignments and dissertations shine.